Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix network connection problem on iPhone. Check if Wi-Fi network is working. The first step is to check if the Wi-Fi is working. Confirm that your Wi-Fi is working and is enabled. Try using that Wi-Fi on another device like a computer or TV or any other. If it is working on the device but it is not working on your iPhone, it means that the problem is likely with your iPhone. The second fix is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve connectivity issues. Turn off iPhone and restart it, and again turn it on. The third fix is to restart Wi-Fi. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on again. If you are facing issues, turn it off and turn on again. The fourth fix is to connect to the correct Wi-Fi network. If you are not connected with the correct Wi-Fi network, make sure to connect with the correct Wi-Fi network. For example, go to the Wi-Fi and then search the network and choose the correct network from Wi-Fi. The fifth fix is to ensure you have the correct date and time. Incorrect date and time can cause connectivity problems. Go to settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on date and time. Tap on set automatically. Ensure set automatically is enabled. If this is enabled, this will automatically correct your date and time. This ensures your device uses GPS and internet to get the correct date and time. The sixth fix is to reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Again, tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, you have to only reset network settings. Tap on reset and you will get these all options. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode, and after entering your passcode, it will ask reset network setting. Tap on it and your network setting will be reset. The seventh fix is to get correct mobile service settings. If you face problem using mobile data, contact your service provider to get the correct mobile network settings, or else you can do go to settings again, tap on mobile service. Now tap on SIM card, tap on mobile data network. Turn on roaming if it is turned off to check if the network is working or not, and ensure that the settings match your service provider's instruction. The eighth fix is to soft reset your iPhone. If nothing works, simply press on volume up button, down once, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, and this will reboot the iPhone without deleting any data. So that's it. These are the fixes which you can try to fix a connection problem on your iPhone.